Hi there, my name's Carm. I'm with Jitterbit, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a new connector in our platform for a system where a connector might not already exist. So recently someone asked me if we can connect to ZenDesk, and absolutely we can. They have API documentation here. I'm going to step you through making a new connector for that. As you can see here, I already have one here. We're going to delete this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Build a new connector here. Okay. And our connector does require authentication. Just a moment.
Yep. Gotcha. Yeah, absolutely. And yeah, we definitely have customers in Canada that use Jitterbit. So in general, we don't.
Okay. For the sake, this one's going to be post. All right, and the base URL is just going to be the domain of our ZenDesk instance here. And it's going to be in JSON. Everything I'm populating in here is just information I pulled from looking at the ZenDesk API documentation that's available online. Okay. And what we're going to do is we want to pull tickets out of ZenDesk, so we're going to go ahead and set that up here. So we'll name it here first.
I believe so, but don't carve that in stone here. I'm going to.
Okay, and then we're just going to use the path, and actually it's going to be the same as the authentication we were using earlier. So.
Definitive answer, would that be okay? Yeah, so I'm going to write that down here.
Okay. Now you can also add query string parameters in here as well. You can add those as separate line items. You can also go ahead and annotate the URL if you'd like, and put this in here as well. So for example, you could query and have open strings, for example, open tickets if you'd wanted, for example. It's just would be typical, just URL request. But for now, we're gonna pull all the tickets. Okay. And then what we need here is we also just need the response body schema. So once again, for this, we're just going to go over to the documentation, tickets here. And here's our example response. We're just going to copy and paste this from the documentation and put it in here. Now, you might have custom fields, custom objects. If that's the case, what I normally do is instead of copy and pasting it from the documentation, I will actually open up my terminal. I'll do a curl request, and I will copy and paste the response I get with my custom information, our fields, into the response schema, and that'll work as well. And then last but not least, most importantly, we need an image here for our new connector. So go ahead and plug this in here, and we are all set. We're going to publish it. Now you can see here we have our new connector, and in the next video we'll go ahead and show you this connector working, pulling tickets out of ZenDesk into a new system. Thanks for watching.